Hi everyone. In this video, let us discuss the different types of hardware that we can use for energy efficiency in IT infrastructure. The very first device is laptop. Laptops are typically more energy efficient than desktops due to their smaller size and lower power requirements. So, if you are using a laptop instead of desktops in your work environments, it could be in your office or it could be in your home environment, it can save a lot of electricity. So we can use laptops. The second one is servers are designed to be energy efficient with features such as power management and cooling systems to reduce energy consumption. So if you can use a servers or purchase a servers in our IT environments which have the features like power management and cooling systems, it can save a lot of electricity and it will be very useful for environments. And the third one is data centers. Data centers are designed to be highly energy efficient with features such as cooling systems, power management and energy efficient hardware. So if you have servers in your data centers and if you could use features such as cooling systems, and if you have very good power management tools and also energy efficient hardware, it will be really useful to run the operations in a sustainable way, which is really good for the environments. All right, so these are the different types of hardware that we can use for energy efficiency in IT infrastructure. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.